Let us talk about the story of a man from the island of Maskelyne, Vanuatu. This is the story of John, entitled No Failure Here. My name is John, and I came from the small island of Maskelyne near Vanuatu. I grew up there, surrounded by the sea and forests. I went to school like other children, but I was not a good student and often received poor grades. Even so, my father had a simple dream for me, that I would finish 6th grade and learn how to read and write. One day in 6th grade, my teacher humiliated me in front of the class and threw my books out the window. My heart was broken and I felt worthless, but deep inside, I did not stop hoping. Later, my older brother, who became a Seventh-day Adventist, taught me a Bible verse. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 20 verse 8. That verse changed my life. At the age of 13, I learned the Word of God through a pastor and chose to be baptized. His prayer was that God would use me in His service. Although life became difficult after my father died, the church helped me. I began serving in simple ways until I became a deacon and later an elder. God used my talent in singing to share the gospel. Through prayer and vision, God called me to the Torres Islands, even though I had no money and knew no one there. For 7 years, we built new churches. Years later, I met again my former teacher who had once humiliated me. She cried and asked for forgiveness. She also became an Adventist. Today, I continue to serve as a church elder. Although I failed in school, I did not fail in God's plan. As stated in Jeremiah 29 verse 11, God has plans full of hope and a future, not only for me, but also for you. The 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will help support children's health projects in the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu. Thank you for your generous offering.